How to turn on or turn off theft protection offline device lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on lost device protection. So after click on lost device protection, click on theft protection. So after click on theft protection, so you will see offline device lock is here. So if you want to turn on offline device lock, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see offline device lock is turned on. So if you want to turn off offline device lock, so turn off this button and use fingerprint. So you will see off device lock is offline device lock is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off offline device lock from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn on or turn off theft protection offline device lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.